Mutongoria wa bururi wa South Afrika Cyril Ramaphosa mukirirwo thingira-ini wa iregi ni President William Ruto kiroko kia umuthi thutha wa gwikinyia bururi-ini kwambiriria iceera riake ria thiku 2 ria kiwira bururi-ini na thutha wa kunyitwo geni ni mbirarũ cia bururi toria ari mutugo Ramaphosa na Ruto maingirire kugia na giikaro kia mwanya niguo kwarĩrĩria maundu matiganĩte na makiria ma kugacĩrithia wonjoria na uiguano gatagati ka mabururi meri.
Your Excellency, you and I are delighted to have presided over the signing of 4 instruments of cooperation that will play a definitive role in the Kenya-South Africa relations.
Wa kwiyumiria na njira nene thutha wa miario no ari uiguano wa mabururi maya meri ma kuhotithia raia a Kenya guthiaga South Africa matare na visa undu uria utanyitwo kuhuthia wonjoria gatagati ka raia a Kenya na South Africa kwambiriria mwaka ukite.
Kenyans holding ordinary passports will be allowed to enter South Africa on a visa-free regime for up to 90 days per calendar year.
And that our officials will speed up the processes of putting this into effect. And that this dispensation will be available to Kenyans for a 90-day period in a given year.
Nareta njira ya gutigirira wonjoria ndunatharara kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri Kenya na South Africa na ciiguithaniirie kunyita itemi hari mihango ya gucokia thayu mabururi-ini maria marigicĩirie mabururi maya meri guku Kenya ĩtũgĩrĩtio kumana na itemi rĩayo hari gukinyaniria uiguano gatagati ga thirikari ya Ethiopia na gikundi gia Tigray undu umwe na itemi ria gutuma mbirarũ cia Kenya guthie gucokia thayu bururi-ini wa DRC.
We laud the just concluded agreement between Ethiopia government and the Tigray People's Liberation Front, brokered by the Africa Union and mediated by President Olusegun Obasanjo and Uhuru Kenyatta and former Deputy President of South Africa, Phumzile Mlambo Ngcuka.
We advocate for African solutions for African problems.
Miario igie kugia na unyitanĩri gatagati ga kambuni cia ndege cia Kenya Airways na South African Airways itemi-inĩ ria kuba kambuni imwe ya Pan African Airline nayo nĩ ĩkĩrĩirwo hĩndĩ ya mĩario ĩno guku area ya mahinyĩrĩirie bata wa gũkinyanĩria ũndũ ũyũ thutha wa Ngirimiti ĩrĩa yekiranĩirwo mwaka mũhĩtũku.
We are committed to ensuring that the agreement that was signed between our 2 airlines goes forward, and at the technical level there is a lot of work going on. And we look forward to making sure that the agreement that was signed eventually brings about a Pan-African airline.
One of the great benefits that lie out into the future is to having a Pan-African airline that will be able to take our people on the continent from various places, and Kenyan Airlines as well as South African Airlines will play a critical role.
Ramaphosa ari guku bururi-ini gwa iceera ria thiku 2 cia kiwira muthenya wa rũciũ gĩtanywo kugia na gĩikaro na onjoria kuma honge itiganĩte bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.